So this is step number 6, and we're going to do part G in this right now with it, and I'm going to have the link over here, of course, with it. But I'd like for you to navigate to your desktop. Now, I want to give you this path right here because not every computer has the same path with it, right? Because everybody's computer has a different name and with it. In this particular computer, I want to take you to the desktop. Again, this has to be done under the DOS environment that I need for you to do this in with it, and we're going to run the DOS environment or the terminal, whatever operating system you have with it, and put it inside with it as well. So here we go. We're going to create this app called My App on our desktop with it. All right. So I'm going to put this particular app in my desktop with it right now. So go back to your DOS command. This is my DOS command from the last time with it, right? So how do I navigate to the C drive, user, and the name, and find the desktop directory? That's what I'm looking for. You see this line right here? I gave you this path right here. This is the path I need for you to go to right here with it, and with it as well. So I'm going to go to users, right? So I'm in the wrong prompt right now, right? So what do? cd dot dot, back out, cd dot dot, right? I'm at the root, cd user, right? I misspelled user. It's cd users with an S with it, right? So I don't know what the name of this particular computer is called. I think it's called student when I set it up as with it, but I want to make sure. Do dir. Hey, it's called Dan. Look at that. So maybe this is Dan's computer with it as well. So cd Dan. All right, and I dir. Is there a desktop? Here it is. Okay, here's my desktop right here, right here. So I need to go in right now and just do cd desktop. Okay, whoop, I'm gonna spell that again. Desktop. Still didn't get it right. Okay, and enter. So this is the path with my name on my computer. Now I want to create that app. It's called My App. Is the name of the app that I'm doing. So I run what's called an npx command, create dash my app. I'm going to leave that side by side here so you can see what I'm doing with it. So npx space create dash react dash app space. The name of the app is my dash app. Okay, so the command is, this is a higher level npx. This is to create. You need to know some of these commands here. Everything that you do in here, you're going to have a test or a quiz to create this. To answer this as well. So a lot of these commands you are required to know for the quiz and for the exam as well. npx is to create. You're going to create a component using the command create dash react dash app, and the name of the app is my dash app. I'm going to hit enter, and this is, I want you to see what's going on with this, is what happens with this as well after I hit enter. So it takes a few seconds. Let's spin for a while with it. That's okay. You fixed this already. That's all right. So it says need to install the following package. You need to install the Create React app. You're going to answer yes in this one, please. Okay to proceed? Yes. Hit enter. And it's going to create this package for you. Okay. So this is the bar. Don't close out on this. This is still running in the background. It's going to create everything that you have. Okay. It's not done yet. Hang on. Move this up here. So I'm gonna pause the video for the recording and just let it run. Don't get on YouTube and watch something with it. But I'm gonna pause the video. So I just want to make sure you leave this alone while it's creating your project with it. It's this white bar right here. It needs to run all the way through to the right. So just let it run and get on YouTube or whatever it is that you're watching, or take a little break out of it and go to the. But don't disturb this installation, okay? So after you complete everything with it, as you can see my screen here, it shows you what it looks like right now with it. Now remember, now we put all this on your on the desktop where I asked you to do it with it. So as you can see, you have to do this inside of your DOS command, and then you run, just to give you just review what actually happens with it as well. Remember, we navigate to our directory from the start get-go with it, and from the root I navigate out, coming out. So here I am in the Dan user, ICD ... bring it back to the root with it. And I had to go back into, just to show you how to get into the desktop with it, because I put everything on the desktop. And then of course we realize that you have to run the npx space create dash react dash app space. The name of the app is called my app with it. And the moment you do that, this is a good place where you want to take a little break. It takes about 2-3 minutes from in this computer. I have a really robust processor. It takes about 2-3 minutes with it. But depending on how much RAM and how much powerful your processor is, it could take a little longer with it as well. So it does all this stuff with it. Don't worry what this stuff does at this time. We want to get this thing installed, but at the end of the day, you want to hear the last message is happy hacking ! With it. And they give you, we're going to go inside this folder right now to run a couple of these commands here. npmp to start it. We're going to actually test it, run it, start it, and it's going to run start for us as well. Alright, so here's what I'd like for you to do at this time right now. We suggest that you begin typing, like it says right here, cd with it. Oh, hang on, let's take a screenshot of this for me, all of this right here for me, and paste this, what you just did here, right here. Okay, so make sure you paste that into this part right here for me. All right. It'll take you a few minutes to install all that stuff with it as well. So I'm going to move on to step number 7 in a second here. So this will conclude step number 6. Cool.